In today's video, we're going to talk about how to make your kids smarter in math and science. Coming up. Hi everyone, this is Ernesto from Attaboy Cowboy, and this channel we give you health and wealth tips to help you be more successful. Now this is part 3 of our series on how to make your kids smarter. And in particular, I want to focus on math and science because this is a question that I get from a lot of parents. Now, when I used to work for the school system, I used to get this question a lot from parents. A lot of kids struggle with math and science. And, actually it's one of the most important skills they need to be successful in engineering, in medicine, and science, and all that kind of stuff. And what I found over the years in my research and my experience with children is that one of the best ways is to expose your children to the natural environment. Things like this. Today I'm in Big Falls, California. It's about an hour and a half outside of LA, so it's very close, but it's pretty much empty. It's a Saturday. It's a beautiful landscape. They have waterfalls. There's running rivers here. It's in the middle of summer. We're in June right now, so it should be dried up, but it's not. There's plenty of water here. Anyway, bringing your children to a place like this helps spark curiosity. And you want to spark your children's curiosity about the natural world. So take them to beaches, teach them about the sand, the ocean currents, the wind currents, take them camping, take them to sand dunes, to swamps, to jungles, to forests, whatever you have around you. Take them to see animals and expose them to as much of the natural world as you can. Why? Because it's going to spark curiosity. And a lot of kids, for example, if you had children here, they want to learn about the rocks, about the water, about the trees. There's a lot of things in the environment. Wherever you're at, they're going to want to learn things about it. And these days, thanks to smartphones, thanks to laptops, they can Google a lot of that stuff and figure out what's happening. So it's a good idea to try to expose them to this. And as you expose them to the natural world, they're going to become more curious about it. And that's going to spark them to want to learn more about science. If you think about it, a lot of the sciences like geology, astronomy, everything else, chemistry, a lot of them have to do with the natural world, biology. Those are all classes you're going to have to take, your children have to take in high school and college to become scientists, to become doctors, to become people that are really important in our society. And as an added bonus, you could teach them on how to respect the natural world. I make it a habit whenever I go out to these places is if I don't have a bag, I'll fill my pockets with trash. Here's some of the stuff I found out there walking around today. And it doesn't take very much effort. If everybody were to just grab a couple things, stick it in their pocket or in a bag, at the end of the day, it would make a really big difference with 7.5 billion people in the world. So try that with your kids, teach them about science, and teach them to respect the world that we live in. Thank you again for listening. And if you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you.